Hi guys! Hi! So,
New day,
new vlogs. So, for today's video, dito kami sa bagong bahay na for rent. Yes, exactly. And now we're having mukbang. And what we have here is, should I?
one cheeseburger,
Hello.
and also one peach mango pie, and already opened
Yeah, the mango, pineapple juice.
with ice, especially so that I can be ice big, and also a burger stick so big.
Okay, rice meal. Oh my god. And there's a chicken. It's okay. Yours is the chicken, mine is the yours is the burger steak, mine is the chicken.
So, oh, that's spicy.
Okay na.
I'm gonna take this.
Let's give this to that one na lang.
Where? Which one?
This one.
Who are gonna give it to?
Tatay.
Okay.
Oh my god, guys. Look
Wait,
at this.
this looks like this matches. It's like a spicy burger.
Oh man.
It looks like a spicy burger.
Oh, it's a double cheeseburger. Oh my god. This is amazing.
Can I try?
Let's just share.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I can see the cheese.
Oh. Oh.
My goodness, it's double patty. Yes, I love double patty.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
I love cheeseburgers now.
So good.
I love cheeseburgers now. Mom, you can see they have like a restaurant opening.
We're having catering. Wow, it's good.
Mine is small.
So good. This is so good there. I like the cheeseburger.
Me too.
Mm. Mm.
Oh, oh.
I like this one, like this burger. Mm. So good.
The patty's coming up.
Mm. This is my first time to try the cheeseburger.
What do you mean? It's the second time. Remember you ordered one?
Ah, yeah.
Today's my first year.
Mm.
First time.
It's post. Ice cold drink, kahit may ubo, kahit may cup, inom pa rin.
You know we can't taste home.
It's so good. Mm. Mm. As you have, next time we will buy like this again. It's so good there.